Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is PamBamNY, Chellen here. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I recycled this bubble balloon with rose inside from our previous project. And we will put this in, we'll give this to our friend as a birthday gift. Okay, with that said, we'll add some ribbons here. I got this from Dollar Tree, this one as well. And I'm gonna show you how to make this. We're using 11 inches balloon, latex balloon. So I will pump air on here, like just a little one, 1, 2, 3, about 3 pumps or 4, like this. So you wanna squeeze this and then make sure this is gonna be inside. I mean in the center. So if you have some little balloons, you can use that one, but I don't have any smaller balloons, so I choose to do this, so it'll be like small. So make sure they're about the same size, like this. So you need one, and I'll put this on the side for now, and I'll pump another balloon. Here it is. So now, if you have any smaller balloon like 5 inches, you can use that one, so you don't have to do this. But us, we don't have the 5 inches with this color, so I used to do this. So just put them together and then squeeze, and then you twist them like that. Okay. So it looks like small balloons. So you need to, we'll make 5 or 3. It depends on how it looks. So now I'm gonna attach the flower balloon, Bobo Balloon, to our present here. I'll put it on the back, and then I'm just gonna tape this on the back using our clear tape. Now I'm ready to tape this on our present here. So at the back, I'm just gonna use the clear tape. There it is. Alright, so now we're ready to put this gift ribbon to put it to attach this here. So again, I'm gonna use a clear tape. I'm gonna put this on the bottom here. Okay, so I added glue dots right here, 1 glue dot, and on the other side I put glue dot right here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's where I put the glue dot, so it helps stay in place. Just wrap this here. So you just have to tie this on here, and you make a bow. Alright guys, so now we just have to attach our balloons here. This is just very simple and easy to follow. So again, I'm going to use balloon glue dots. I'm planning to put this gift box right here on the bottom. So this is where we're gonna set this thing so it's like higher. And using a clear tape, we'll put some tape on the bottom here. Make sure it's centered. Right there. And I'll put more tape on the back so it'll support. So right there. Go. So we will add more balloons here. Okay, and I will add another 260Q. But before that, in order to have that curl, you just have to grab a scissor or something. There. Okay, so we also need 260Q balloon. Stretch that first, and then you pump air here. About 4 pumped. So we just have to make tiny flower. I'll add this here using blue dots. So I'll attach this here using balloon glue dots. So now I'm ready to attach the other balloon here, flower balloon, and I'll put it here, just so it match. And here you go, guys. This is the birthday balloon bouquet that you can give to your friends or family. There's the flower inside with happy birthday, and we added some ribbons. Hope you guys like this, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed or sub yet. Thank you all guys for watching, and thank you for all your support. And see you in our next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.